Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing how do Thai immigration laws actually change. As a preface to the rest of this video, I will say that the standard way of actually changing Thai immigration law would be to pass a bill in Parliament that would supersede the 1979 Immigration Act. So that would kind of be the standard way of doing it. That the basic answer is by legislation, but it does get a little deeper than that. Thought of making this video after reading a recent comment on our channel, quoting directly, in Thailand they start talking about changes 10 years ahead of time. Then you get hundreds of versions of how the new laws will look like. Anyway, time is overdue to crack down on the uninsured 80-year-old geriatric bandits who roam the malls bargain hunting with their electric wheelchairs, creating havoc among peaceful tourists shopping for t-shirts. Yeah, well put. I think a lot of the hyperbole surrounding the retirement visa scheme is kind of unwarranted. I think retirees are a great contribution to Thailand, not only in terms of economics, but I think they bring a lot of good stuff to Thailand. In fact, a lot of traditional values and sort of conservative thought that a lot of older folks have, it's kind of embodied in the retirement community here in Thailand. And also, they got a lot of information. I like older folks. I think the retirees are great. But the first half of that comment, I think, is pretty pertinent and very pertinent to this actual video, which is, yeah, they do kind of tend to start talking about this stuff way ahead of time. And then, yes, we do see various permutations of what it possibly will look like before we finally see the sort of finalized changes and they're actually promulgated in terms of the law and brought into force in terms of enforcement. So again, I think it's going to be a while before we see any major changes to Thai immigration law, especially with the often talked about presently retirement visa scheme. I don't think we're going to see any major changes on that anytime in the particularly near future. But as with many things that we've talked about on this channel, we'll start talking about them, and then sometime in the relatively somewhere out there on the cusp of the foreseeable and the sort of unforeseeable future, you get to the point where, yeah, that horizon comes up and we actually see changes to the rules actually implemented. Now, when and if this will actually happen in terms of the Thai retirement visa remains to be seen, but we'll certainly keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.